Welcome to Chris's Bread. Today we're going to learn how to make waffle. This is very simple and easy to follow recipe. Let's get to it.
Before starting mixing the batter, make sure you turn on the waffle iron and get to know your waffle iron. Read the instruction very well. And crack the egg and flop it up really nice and well. Then we're going to add milk. Mix it really well. And then we're going to add oil. This is vegetable oil. You can choose any oil you want to. Then we're going to add sugar and salt. You may choose brown sugar. And then we dissolve it and we're going to add flour. You may choose whole wheat flour or all other flours if you like. And lastly, we're going to add baking powder because this is undercooked bread. And then baking powder, as soon as contacts with liquid, it's going to start activating. That's why I'm adding the last. And if there's any bread lump, make sure it's all dissolved nice and well. So mix it really nice and well with your wire whisk and get those dissolved, and it's gonna be kind of creamy texture. We're gonna spray vegetable oil on the waffle iron, and my waffle iron needed three-quarter cup of batter, and it bakes 3 to 4 minutes. You can see in the beginning there's lots of steam coming up, and eventually it comes out less and less. Then at that point you can open it up and check it. To take it out, you can use butter knife or back of the wooden spatula and kind of gently lift it up, and it should come up. So if you're using waffle iron first time, make sure spray every time you put the batter. My waffle iron, I've been using it for a long time, so it comes out quite easily. And here I'm gonna show you how to make blueberry waffle. Put the batter and then you put blueberry on top. Make sure it's nicely oiled, otherwise it may stick to the iron once the blueberries start heating up and popping up. So this one is stuck a little bit, but not too bad, so it comes out nice and easily. And you can choose any fresh fruit of your desire if you want to put it inside the waffle. And this time I'm going to show you chocolate chip waffle. Same thing, you put the batter in the iron and put as many chocolate you want. And same thing, chocolate chip, when it melts, it tends to stick to the iron, so make sure you spray or put oil on the iron. Now these are the types of waffle I'm making today, and here is the simple waffle, and this one is a chocolate waffle. You can see the chocolate, and here's the blueberry one. You can see the blueberries are popped up. So you can put butter or maple syrup or syrup, fruit syrup, anything you desire, and enjoy your waffle. Now you know how to make waffle.